Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Weverse. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.